Our Varden kits have been delivering all over the country. And what we're hearing is that native water pressure coming out of pipes and hoses varies all over the country. So we're recommending for those areas with high water pressure to install a pressure reducer either at the faucet or right at the water supply for the kit. Have a look at what we're showing you here. All right, so the way this pressure reducer works, this takes whatever pressure comes out of your hose and reduces it to 20 psi. And the operating range on this system is 15 to 25 psi. And what I find is it works better off if you screw it onto the end of your hose first, and then you can come over and attach it to the hose fitting really easy on the Varden kit. And it's all on, and again, another made in the USA part. It's also pretty easy just to attach it right to your faucet, and then you can attach the hose right to that, and it's all good. And then you don't have to worry about whether you're connected all the time to your kit. Time to Varden.